Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Ashley Alessandra, and I told y'all that I was bringing y'all part 2 of us overloading on squats. So if you would like to get nice sexy legs and a round juicy glute, you're gonna need to tap into this workout. But first we gotta warm up, and don't you dare not warm up, because it helps to prevent injuries, all right? So let's get started in 10. Almost there. 7 seconds. All right, toes out to the side. We're going deep. Squeezing at the top. You're gonna feel this in your inner thighs. You're gonna feel this in your glutes. All right? Go as deep as you can. Take your time. Control your breathing. Come on. 7 seconds. One, two, three, and squeeze. This where you're gonna start to feel the heat, okay? But don't you stop. Oh yeah. keep going, okay? Open and close, come on. Knees out when you squat. I know those quads is tight, glute is pumping. Just keep going. Alright, step one is done. I'm starting to feel the heat. I hope you are too. Listen to me. We're only taking 30 seconds rest in between each set. I want y'all to feel it, okay? And we're going for 3 rounds. So don't you change that channel. See it all the way through to the end. You got this. Round 2, let's go. It's time for you to connect your mind to your muscle. You gotta feel the tension. You got to. Squeeze. Squeeze, come on. 12 seconds.
Perfect.
Hello. Come on. Oh yeah, I know you feel that burn. Just hold on tight. Don't you stop. Slow down if you need to, but try not to stop, okay? Four seconds. Up. 1, 2, 3. Squeeze. Come on. Control your breathing. Come on. Come on. You think I ain't feeling this? I'm right there with you. I'm feeling the burn. Woo! 5. Come on. We squat, and I told y'all, squat overload. The goal is for your thighs and your booty to feel stiff at the end. Okay? If you're feeling the tension, please drop that fire emoji in the comment section. Whew. Alright, you know what time it is, the sweat check. Hope you're sweating. If not, grab a jacket. We gotta open these pores and let the sweat come out now. And we have a finisher I forgot to tell you. So forgive me, you got a finisher, you're either gonna love it or you're gonna hate it. But either which way, you're gonna feel the pump. Let's go, round 3. Come on. Booty low, don't forget, open the knees. Come on, 10 seconds. Don't you go on the couch, okay? Let's go. Squeeze. Don't be cheating me now. Perfect. Don't be sitting on my couch while I'm working. We're supposed to be doing this together, okay? Woo! Grab a friend or two to join you, okay? Almost there. Come on. Go. Open. Ten seconds, come on. Don't you dare move. We got that finisher You're gonna drop down. Open them legs. We gonna twist and we gonna get ready. Let's go.
Finish him.
Twist. Don't get mad at me now. I'm just here to help. Hope you ain't cursing me. Come on. Have fun. Groove. Woo! Come on. You got this. Don't you stop. Don't you stop. 15 seconds. Come on. Get low. How low can you go? Come on. Woo. 5. That finisher burned you out, huh? Because my legs are stiff. If your legs ain't stiff, I don't know what you was doing. I hope you wasn't cheating me. Because I don't like when people cheat my workout. Alright? But if you made it this far in the video, I want to say thank you so much for working out with me. And don't forget to share this with a friend 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And your girl Ash will see you in the next video. Ooh, this is embarrassing.